At ITA Tools, we prioritize continuous development and work tirelessly to deliver products that not only meet but exceed our customers' expectations. With an innovative approach to tool production, a bold vision for the future, and a deep understanding of the latest technologies, we have built a philosophy that drives our growth and positions us as leaders in the industry.
3, 2, 1.
By leveraging innovative technologies and fully automating our processes, we have revolutionized the production of circular saws. Every stage of production, from material selection to technological implementation, is meticulously planned, optimized, and automated, allowing us to set new industry standards for quality and performance. Our precision laser cutting of high-quality sheet metal and heat treatment process, conducted in a unique European furnace, make ITA Tools saws stand out for their exceptional strength and flatness. Tensioning processes, dynamic balancing of the discs, and precision grinding ensure unmatched flatness, stiffness, and stability in the saw bodies. Surface grinding is performed on an automated grinder, ensuring precision down to 5 microns. The unique design of the saw bodies, equipped with compensation grooves, minimizes operating noise and guarantees extraordinary cutting precision. Furthermore, the innovative tooth design simplifies sharpening, greatly extending the tool's service life. The sharpening of sintered carbide is executed on a state-of-the-art, fully automated line of high-performance grinders, which are numerically controlled and operated by robots. At ITA Tools, each saw undergoes rigorous testing with the latest measurement technologies to ensure it meets the highest quality standards before leaving our factory. With our comprehensive product range and wide array of options, ITA Tools offers endless possibilities for finding the most efficient cutting solution. We make no compromises during production by using materials from leading manufacturers and incorporating the latest technology. We bring tangible benefits to our customers and deliver the highest quality product.